This is the garden update for May 11th, 2019. Look at the Brussels sprouts. Okay, they're not coming in, but we got leaves. Plants going today. Right here is my pak choi. Unfortunately, it has ran its course, so that's going to go. Right here is the other Brussels sprout plant. Look how big it is. We have had flooding rain for the last 2 days. So it's just, I think it's done. The spinach is leaving as well. And also, I planted my thyme. Look, some of the thyme was the old thyme. And I dug it up, turned the dirt over, put a little bit of the old thyme back and the new ones that I started. And over here are my peppers. Look how big they've grown in a week. The peppers have really grown. Here we have the lettuce. We chopped down a lot of it, but the rain has really made it grow. This is the romaine. That's going to have to go too. I have all these tomatoes that need to be planted. I planted my basil, and it's growing lovely. Here, look how big that tomato plant is. And my mint has growing. It's really growing. All of the mint is coming back. That's the basil. And here is my sweetheart of the patio. Big. Look how big that is. That needs to be planted. And here are some of the basil that were in the seed starters. And they need to be planted. But this is just a look of everything. A week later, I mean, everything has doubled. This is the cilantro, really doubled. And here are other tomato plants. I mean, someone else is planting with me. They planted these and they have really doubled. And here is some sage that somebody else started. That's growing. And here's another look of the mint. It's coming back. I love mint. And right here are my green beans and string beans. Green beans, I call them string beans. Oh my God, they're the same thing. And this is the cucumber plant as well. So I need to plant them. Cucumbers. And these are miniature, these are mascot green beans. So they grow not very tall, but they have high production. You can fit about 2 in a pot. They're miniature. In the greenhouse, my yummy peppers came up. Oh, wow. They doubled in a couple days. And these are some other peppers. Lost the tags. Don't know. And right here is some sweet pepper hybrids. They're miniature pepper plants. They look like hot peppers, but they're actually sweet. So, okay. So this is the update for May 11th, 2019.